Are you ready to shape your future with a world-class MBA? Then welcome to RV Institute of Management, where tradition meets innovation in business education. Located in the heart of India's tech and startup capital, RV Institute of Management offers a dynamic 2-year MBA program affiliated to the Bangalore City University and approved by AICTE. At RVIM, we go beyond the classrooms, combining academic rigor with industry exposure and hands-on experience. Here's why RVIM stands out: because of its industry-integrated curriculum, dedicated placement and career support, entrepreneurship development cell, global exposure and leadership workshops, vibrant campus life and state-of-the-art infrastructure, unique specializations like business analytics, entrepreneurship and family enterprise management, and operations and supply chain management. Join the ranks of successful RVIM alumni who are creating change across various sectors. Apply today to take the first step towards a smarter, brighter, and successful future.